What's up, Flomies? It's Alexus. Today I'm going to show you how to do the Kirby Wrap. Looks like this. There are a few prerequisites you need to know when getting into the Kirby Wrap. First is your horizontal one-finger spin. You want to make sure it's pretty centered on the Flowstar. And then once it's at a pretty good speed, you'll come in with 3 fingers, kind of like a claw, right over. Let it wrap around your hand, and then right once it wraps, just flip your hand back up in the opposite direction. Another cool thing about this trick is if you're passing with people that you know spin the opposite way as you, it's an easy way to be able to get right into spinning the opposite direction. Makes it a lot easier for passing, doing different partner passes and group flow. Thank you for watching how to do the Kirby Wrap. If you liked this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and keep an eye out for more tutorials coming soon.